Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about criminal cases with you guys today. Now, let's start. Let's talk about how it all starts until what are the steps and what how a case proceeds. So it all starts with an FIR. So once a person with whom some crime has been committed, he has to file an FIR in the police station of the place where the crime was committed to him. For example, Mr. X, who is a resident of UP, was in Delhi for the time being, and while he was in Delhi, someone tried to kill him. So he will not file the complaint, the FIR, uh, in the police station of UP, of the area of which he is a resident, but he will file the FIR at the police station of that area where someone tried to kill him. All right, and the FIR is to be filed ASAP, like so that the evidences and the case or the facts about the case does not get the people tend to change their statements, and there may be some you know some try of getting the evidences removed by the criminal. So the FIR is to be filed ASAP, that is as soon as possible, by the victim. Okay, the FIR is filed as per the section 154 of CRPC, and make sure that it is filed at the place where the crime has been committed, also as soon as possible. Okay, so nowadays you can also file an FIR online on the website. Okay, whichever area you belong to, of the website of that police station, you can mention all the details that are required in an FIR as per the format given online. All right, so once the FIR is filed, one more thing. So if you are filing an FIR, you can only file an FIR for a cognizable offense and not for a non-cognizable offense. Now you will ask me, what is a cognizable offense and what is a non-cognizable offense? Now, cognizable offenses are serious offenses, offenses like murder, rape, really serious offenses. And non-cognizable offenses are minor offenses, maybe of some minor theft or something, a theft or loss of something. So these are non-cognizable offenses. And for cognizable offenses, the police does not need to have a warrant, and if someone who has committed a cognizable offense, the police can directly go and arrest that person. Whereas in case of a non-cognizable offense, no police officer can directly go and arrest someone without a warrant. He has to first get the warrant from the court, and then only the police can arrest someone in case of a non-cognizable offense. Now, so FIR is only filed in case of cognizable offenses. Now you'll ask me what to do if you have to, if someone has committed a non-cognizable offense. In that case, FIR will not be filed, but you will file a police complaint first. All right. And if it comes out that the offense is really serious, then the police complaint maybe can be transferred to an FIR. So it depends. Okay. So if in case of a non-cognizable offense, you will file a police complaint and not an FIR. Okay. So once the FIR is registered, FIR is made in the police station. Now next step is the investigation and arrest to be made in that case. Now it is the police, it is the duty of the police that the police will make a necessary investigation in that case as per the FIR, and it will collect the evidences in the case, and it will also take, the police will also take will also conduct examination of witnesses as per the as per section 161 of CRPC. Okay, so once the investigation is complete, the police can also arrest someone if it is required. Then once the investigation is complete, then the next step is preparing the final report. As per section 173 of CRPC, the police in charge, whoever the person in charge is, he will make a final report as per section 173 of CRPC. And if it has been found that no person is responsible for a crime and no charges are to be framed, then the police will prepare a closure report after the investigation is done, that no one is responsible. And if it feels that it is not necessary to proceed with the investigation, like investigation is done and the case is to be closed, then the police will prepare a closure report. All right. Okay, closure report is prepared in all cases. Like it is prepared even in cases where there has been an offense committed and where there has not been an offense committed. So if in case where the offense is committed, a charge sheet is also filed. Okay, so if Mr. XYZ has committed an offense, the police will make a charge sheet for it, which will have all the charges against that person. The framing of charges against that person is done, that under this section, this crime has been committed by this person. Okay, and closure report will be made in all the cases, like if there is an offense by the person, in that case as well. So it's not just the cases where no charges are to be framed, there also, and in all cases. So you can say in all cases closure report is prepared. All right. So once the investigation is complete, the closure report is made, it is to be submitted to the magistrate, and the magistrate will take cognizance of offences under section 190 to 193. And if any charges have been framed, charges under section 211 to 221. So if any charges have been framed and the person pleads guilty, then he is convicted by the magistrate directly. Okay, and if the person pleads that he is not guilty, then trials will be conducted. Okay, the case will further move to trials in the court, and during those trials the court can also issue summons or warrants if required to get any person in the court, if the court wants or needs any person to be present in the case. So once the trials are done, the court gives its decision in the case, and whether the person is guilty or not guilty, and then the case then it is finally decided by the court after all the trials are complete. So this is how a criminal case takes place. Starts with the FIR, ends with the trial, and if the convicted person in the trial is not satisfied with the decision of the court, it can move to it can make an appeal to the higher court as well. All right. So yes, this is how it all takes place, starting from the FIR, then the investigation, then the final report is prepared. If charges are framed, then charge sheet is prepared, submitted to the magistrate, then charges are framed. So if there is any charge and the person is guilty, he will be convicted. If he pleads that he is not guilty, trials are conducted, and finally judgment is passed by the magistrate. And if the convicted is not satisfied, he moves to making an appeal to the higher court. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.